Keyboard shortcuts are the favorite tool of experienced users. They allow you to save a lot of time, especially when the number of operations is substantial. For example, if you would like to copy an item, you can use Ctrl and C, while you can paste it with Ctrl and V. The shortcut for cutting an item is Ctrl and X. After we've cut an item, we can use Ctrl and V and paste it into its new position. We can use these commands for text as well. Please take some time going through the document that comes after this lesson. It is a list of some of the most popular keyboard shortcuts that are used. We can easily find many keyboard shortcuts by using the Alt key. By pressing Alt without holding, we can activate the tabs for the ribbon. Then we can click the letter corresponding to the tab that we want to open. This approach is great as it allows you to access any command in Excel. It is very convenient to remember the letters for those combinations that you use very often. For example, I like to use the Alt-A-T command, which adds or removes a filter. I'll need to press Alt, A, and T, and the filter will be created. See? It is very intuitive, and you can't forget where you're at as the letters are there to help you. A slight setback for some users is the fact that some of the Alt shortcuts include 3, 4, or more letters. Most people don't like memorizing that many letters. These users often find the Quick Access toolbar buttons as a preferable alternative to long shortcuts. Quick Access toolbar buttons are a good way to save time and have the most frequently used commands a single click away. We can add every command that is contained in the 9 tabs right here in the upper left part of the screen. Let's demonstrate how to do that. I will click on the File tab and select Options. Once I am in the Options menu, I can select Quick Access Toolbar, where I can find all of the commands within Excel. I'll use the drop-down menu, next to which is written Choose Commands From, in order to find the commands that I am looking for. Once I have found a command of interest, it will be added to Quick Access Toolbar by clicking on the Add button. If I would like to remove a command from the Quick Access Toolbar, I will use the Remove button instead. You do not have to perform these operations every time you start a new presentation, as each modification of the Quick Access Toolbar will already be available. I added the Add or Remove Filters button to the Quick Access Toolbar. Now I can select the data on the sheet, click on the button with my mouse, and here's the filter that was added to the selected row. Now, I would like to show you a very interesting technique that would allow you to use the Quick Access Toolbar buttons through the keyboard. By pressing Alt and one of the numbers that we see in the upper left part of the screen, we will trigger the respective command. Given that the first button in my Quick Access Toolbar is the Add Remove Filter command, I can press Alt and 1, and this would remove the filter that was added. I'll press Alt and 1 again, and the filter will be added. Note that we are using only 2 keys, Alt and a number. That's perfect, right? Easy to remember and fast to execute. Thanks for watching.